Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope all of you fine. This is Jalil Sultana, an assistant teacher. Today I am going to take a physical education class for class 6. So dear students, our today's topic assignment 2. Our today's topic assignment number 2. Now look at the board. What is our assignment? Chapter and the title of the chapter are chapter Scouting and Girl Guiding, and lesson numbers and our topics are lesson 1 concept and necessity of scouting and girl guiding, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4 and lesson 5. Lesson 2 is the motto and the promise of scouting and girl guiding. Lesson 3 the programs and uniform of scouting and girl guiding. Lesson 4 6 primary notes of rope, and lesson 5 first aid, concept and application, cut, burn, abrasion and insect bites. And our assigned task is given here. Our assigned task is as case study. You are a scout or a girl guide member. A member of your household needs first aid. What do you do? And when do your assignment, you have to follow the given instructions. Our instruction is what is first aid, the work of a first aid worker, materials used, what type of materials you have used, identification of first aid recipient and provider, accidents and the medical procedure you provide for the purpose of given treatment, and assessment criteria. All are appropriate, then you will get excellent. Dear students, this is the most important. This is the instructions over there. Our instructions, first aid, what is first aid and first aid worker, materials used, identification of first aid recipient and provider, accidents and medical procedure provided for the purpose of given treatment. When you do your assignment, and you must included these instructions. And is there any omit these instructions, then you will not get excellent. All are appropriate, then you will excellent. 5 are appropriate, then you will get very good. 4 are appropriate, then you will get good, and apart from that is otherwise need to progress. So our assignment task from chapter 2 Scouting and Girl Guiding. Dear learners, take your book and lesson number 5, your first aid. At first, look, a member of your household needs first aid. What you should do. Okay? And at first you have to write about primary aid. That means first aid. First you have to write about first aid. That means introduction part. Then go to the instructions, and second instructions is the work of a first aid as a worker. So what is the work of a first aid workers? Then you have to write this. And the purpose of first aid to prevent deterioration of the patient condition, improving patient's conditions and protecting the patient's life. This is the purposes of first aid. And what type of materials used? Dear learners, first aider to do 3 things such as identifying the diseases, treatment and shifting. And materials used: dressing, lint, pad, splint, bandage. Okay. Identification of first aid recipient and provider. Suppose one day you are a member of a scout or girl guiding, and one day your mother or your younger brother or sisters cut off her fingers while cutting curry. So what should you do in that time? So you have to write this, and the processing you follow these instructions. And otherwise you can write, you are a member of the scout, your father suddenly fainted. What should you do? What is the procedure of primary treatment? You have to write the primary treatment, the primary treatment. Okay, dear learners, your submission assignment submission date 9th October 2021, 9th October, and you within this time you have to submit your assignment. And is there any problem from given assignment, then you can call me. My phone number is given here. So I hope you understood today's assignment number 2, and stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.